Take out the black marker and draw the windmill house. Start by drawing a triangle. Draw a circle on top of your head. Then draw a rectangle. Draw a small arc. Let's draw a door. There's a round window on the second floor. The window frame is drawn. Draw a cross in the center. Tiles on the roof. There's a windmill on the roof. For thick windmill wings. Drawing tall grass at the bottom. Flowers. Adding some segments on the second floor arcs. Okay, we're done with the windmill. Now we'll start molding the edges. That's great. Now let's get to the colors. Rosy red. Yellow. Bright yellow. Red. Dark green. Purple. Orange. Light purple. Blue. Purple. Red. Orange red. Rose. Red. Blue. Light green. Rose. Purple. Green. Orange. Big red. Bright yellow. Our work is done. It's beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.